Hey guys, Disney Collector here with two roller scare monsters. This one is Terri and Terri, and this one is Squishy. So here's Squishy with his OK shirt. And this one right here is his student ID. You can use it for him to pop. Now here's Terri and Terri. Let's see how this works. Okay, we got everything inside. They come with this student ID for Monsters University. Let's get them ready to roll. He doesn't want to stay inside. Let's try again. We got everything inside. And they pop. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Monsters University right here on Disney Collector.